The following is a presentation of the Controltrends podcasting network.
Hello, Controltrends community. This is Ken Smyers with the midweek review and Ken's calendar update for March 20th, 2019. There's a lot going on in the industry. I'm going to go quickly, but hopefully succinctly. We have an NFMT event coming up at the Baltimore Convention Center March 26th through the 28th, 2019. I know several people that have already made arrangements, and I know people that are showing at that show. It's going to be a great event, and there's a lot going on networking-wise, training-wise, and great opportunity to catch up on your CEUs. Next up, we have Johnson Controls Verisys. They're doing a rollout of the Johnson Controls Con. They'll be doing a roadshow that is throughout the United States, but in the week of April 2nd through the 4th, they'll be in Seattle, Washington, and then Atlanta, Georgia, April 23rd through the 25th. So check in on those. Great opportunity for engineers that aren't familiar with Verisys to catch up to them. We have EasyIO training all over the country. April 16th and 17th, they'll be at M&M Controls in the DC area, and they also will be doing CPT training at Relevant Solutions in Houston, Texas. Followed by May 7th and 8th, training at Relevant Solutions, Salt Lake City, Utah. And then there's an advanced class at Yorkland Controls, Toronto, in May to be determined. And then finally, June 11th and 12th, CPT training at Relevant Solutions, Salt Lake City, Utah. We also have some great stuff coming up with the EasyIO World Conference, which will be held May 19th through the 21st at the Johan Cruyff Arena in Amsterdam. Hope I didn't do that too bad. And then some great presentations, workshops, two fabulous keynote speakers. We have Adrian Faugeot, Director Phase 2 MEP at Battlesea Power Station Development Company, and Tom Randall, Head of Building Optimization Services at Verco Global. Alright, next up we have the AEC Building Tech Conference and Expo, April 30th through May 2nd at Rosemont, Illinois' Donald E. Stevens Convention Center. It's a unique event where it has the latest interactive expo designed to inform and inspire today's building team, innovative, influential architects, engineers, contractors, facility managers, owners, and more. So that's going to be a great opportunity. Also, we have ControlsCon, which is going to be May 2nd and 3rd in Detroit. We have a special code going on for that event. Scott Cochran gave us a 10% discount for anybody that signs up using Controltrends as the discount code when you register. Haystack Connect is next. We have a May 13th through the 15th Paradise Point Resort and Spa in San Diego, California extravaganza. This is going to be a really neat show because Haystack Connect is very important. It's becoming one of the premier protocols, if not the protocol of the future for templating and semantics to ensure we have the maximum integration of technologies and apps. So they'll be doing some great stuff on intelligent buildings, energy management, remote monitoring, and other IoT devices. So great speakers and great sponsors. Next up, we have the Realcomm IBCon show. This is going to be June 13th through the 14th. However, there will be a June 11th golf tour and tours, and also a June 12th pre-con event. So make sure you make the arrangements now to get down there. I'd recommend you get down there. If you like to network with some of the top real estate folks in the business, get there for the June 11th golf tour. But certainly to attend the IBCon and Realcomm sessions. It's just a great show. Next up, we have the Smart and Secure Cities and Communities Challenge, July 10th through the 12th. And that's going to be at the Washington Convention Center, the Walter E. Washington Convention Center, July 10th through the 12th. And this is a very interesting show because it includes representatives from the federal agencies, industries, academia, cities, and communities. So this is the future. This is the macro version of where we're all headed to in the Smart Secure City pursuit of the Smart Secure City Challenge. So the registration's free, but you have to pre-register to attend. So you can't show up the day of the show and get in. Well, that's all for this week. Look forward to the next week. Take care.